Damn, dude. We've done like 80 miles. We got 120 to go. Crushing it.
What happened?
Everything.
What time is it?
I don't know. Time to go. Well, that was it. J.W. Wells Park. There's this guy walking down the street and he sees this sign and it says cheese sandwich is $1, ham sandwich is $5, hand job's $10. It's like, fuck. So he opens up his wallet, he's like, son of a bitch. Walks inside, behind the bar just is smoking hot. Just fucking young bartender, fit, probably does CrossFit. Definitely had a boyfriend that paid for the tits. Insane. Walks up to her, goes, hey, that sign outside real? She's all, absolutely. He's all, you the one giving hand jobs? She's like, I am. Gives him a little wink. So he looks at her. He says, all right, well, wash your fucking hands. I'd like a cheese sandwich. build me a chopper when we get back, Jeff?
Investment I've ever made.
Yeah, right.
It was fucking 82 grand in debt because of that.
82,000?
Yeah,
That's
82.
all?
82 in a pan. You ever hear of that?
I should have charged you more. Right?
$82,000. 1951.
Wow. That's a lot of money.
Jesse James built it.
Oh, wow.
Right now, this is the chopper tattoo!
You lived.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking A.
You lived. Fucking 11-mile dirt road, middle of Wyoming.
Day, brother. This trip tried to kill me twice.
Shit.
Look at it.
I thought I was gonna run your fucking...
Dude, I didn't want you guys hitting that hole. I was worried about you guys.
Oh
I thought you guys were all gonna crash.
Get rocks in them. Oh, you skinned them up. You're all right. Oh, you're all right, bud.
Fuck.
Well, we got ice. You better start icing it. Switch.
Well, look at this rut.
I don't know how we all didn't go down.
Dude, how did we all hit this thing?
Dude, I launched right out of that thing.
Out of this?
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna hit Aaron's bike.
Well,
It's a little soft. Well, why is it? Because people come up over this hill and they just get on their brakes.
The last one almost took me out. The one that
Yeah,
was
the one
way
up
back
there. Yeah, I
there,
know.
That one was gnarly. And I had no idea it was there.
All right, so maybe we shouldn't go 50 miles an hour down
So
this
where
road.
do you
He's got a tunnel. Hands off, man. This is chrome.